Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
And me also. May I see your identification,
Yes,
please?
sure. Here it is.
What's your first name
My first name is Muhammad
and your last?
Bilal.
How do you spell your name?
It's Muhammadbilal.
Describe yourself physically.
I'm physically I'm 5 foot 7 inch and I'm weight 95 kg.
In which country you plan to go?
Well, there's a number of another country, but I would like to go to UK. I think it's a very great opportunity for anyone to go.
Okay, will you come back to your country?
Definitely, I think there's a lot of opportunity in my country. I will come back to my country.
Are you working anywhere?
Yes, currently I'm working as an Secretary General, and it's a organization named Pakistan Auto Manufacturing Association.
What is your lucky number?
My lucky number is 7
Why?
because I think most of the time I come to close different situation where 7 figure is more relative to my any accomplishment.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
I like to eat all food, but I like most preferably Asian foods.
What is your education?
I have done my master's in business administration
From where?
from Gift University, Peshawar.
How many siblings do you have?
I have just one sibling, one younger sister, and me myself.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why?
because it feels very enthusiastic when I wear the blue shirts. So
What do you do in your leisure time?
there's a lot of things which I use my spare time, but most of time I used to listen songs because it feels me very enthusiastic.
Okay. Here is a cue card, and you have 1 minute. Then you can write points.
Thank you.
Describe a live sports match that you had watched.
Well, sports match. There are a lot of there's a lot of sportsmen which I witnessed. But recently, I came across a badminton match which was held in the Gujarat Gymnasium a few months ago. I went to there with my friend. We purchased our ticket from the window, and then we went to the queue and waiting for our turn. It's almost take 10 minutes to fill up all the stadiums. We seated out on our reserve seats.
Do
Then the
you
match
prefer to
started.
watch the live sports or watch it on TV?
Well, I'm most interested in watching live TV matches because for that I can clearly see the images and the results and the facts of the match.
Do you think competition is good for students?
Yes, I think competition is good for the student because it makes them to compete in a difficult situation and to be more creative.
Describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or study.
Always wanted to be go on northern area sites because I believe it's a very interesting thing to do, just like hiking. So I would go someday in the north.
Do you think it is important for a person to have a career plan?
I think it is very important thing to plan their career because any individual who sets their goal can achieve many things.
Do you think it's important to include the factor of one's salary in a career plan?
I don't think so because the salary is not which you can bring accomplishment, but you have to set objectives and goals that can achieve your accomplishment in future.
In general, how do people make plans?
People usually make plans by setting the short-term goals. When they set their goals and they write their goals in documentary form, so they can help them in the future.
When do young children start to set goals for themselves?
I think your children, when at very young age, they copy their fellows, their peers, and they starting to use their objective set and follow them.
What is the impact of the self food?
Self, I think, is a great tutor to anybody because anyone can learn from themselves. No one can teach any other better than themselves.
What is your opinion about selfies?
I think it's a good thing. People are not now camera shy, so they can take their selfie and can show them with their other friends.
Describe a piece of local news that people are interested in.
There's recently I come across an article which is very famous is about the vaccines because people are more curious about how the treatment for the COVID-19.
Do people read newspaper where you live?
Yes, there are people who sorry.
Do people read newspaper where you live?
People love to read the newspaper, which are most currently political and social-economic issues.
Do people prefer local or international news?
I think it's depend on there are some factors that some people like to read international, some people like to read local news.
Do you think it's important to have a national identity?
Yes, I think it's very important to have a national identity because you can represent your country by doing this.
Describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike.
Well, I live in a very small city. I don't have any tall building, but I remember one of the tall building is in Lahore. Its name is Alpha Technology Tower. Basically, it is an I-shaped tower, which is made of bricks, but it also has work from the mirror, and it's sometimes it's vibrant in color, and anybody can visit there at any time. It's a great initiative by the government of Pakistan to launch it as an IT university.
Why do some people like to live in a tall buildings now?
Because people love to see the city view from the top, and they want to avoid the noise of the city. So that's why they used to live in the top building.
Why do people smile?
People smile usually because they want to express their feelings and emotions and their attitudes. So that's why they smile whenever they help others. So it makes them very passionate.
When do people smile?
People will smiley when they help each other, when they help and when they support the other, when something they come across a very interesting topic, they smile because it's
What's the
a
difference between a fake smile and a true smile?
I think there's a lot of difference, and we can identify the difference by the eyes. A fake smile never smile with the eyes, but a real face smile is also
Why
always
do
smile.
people like to use social media?
People use social media because they can get information from the social media, and uh, they can also connect with their relatives and friends.
What kind of things are popular on social media?
Social media is very famous for its online shopping. People usually do shopping, and they share their posts like where they are currently, so their status are upgraded in the social media.